Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, you know how some places just stay with you forever? Wensu Canyon was definitely one of them for me. From insane rock formation to hidden soft flats that only a few get to see, this place is pure magic. Today, I'm taking you back to this unreal landscape. Hope you will feel it too. Enjoy!
We had arrived at the Tianshan Toma scenic area. We're gonna grab something to eat first while we're waiting to rent a car. As only a Jeep or SUV can go in, and ours is not, so we are paying 600 to 800 RMB to rent that car so that we don't have to wait for the shuttle bus and all that. So it tells you the brand. If it is Toyota, Mitsubishi, then it's 800 per ride, and if it is Great Wall, the brand is 700. If it's Beiqi, it's 600. So this is a Land Cruiser, so of course this is a Toyota, this will be 800. So guys, we are now going into the canyon. We have this absolutely fantastic driver. He's very experienced. He's gonna take us to a few spots that he said is very good for the drone. I really hope that it's gonna be a great day today. So far, it's been great. Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that. Whoa, guys, look at this. We are going over with the river. This part of the land just opened last week because usually this is part of the river. Wow. Whoa. We arrived at the first spot, which is only open couple months a year. Babe, say hi. Hi. Beautiful. So beautiful, right? Crazy chic. It's magnificent, remarkable, whatever word you want to use. This is something you don't even see in Vegas in the Grand Canyon because this is salt mine. And when the glacial water comes down every summer, the river will be flowing. So that is the reason why usually it's not open in the summer. But right now it's open because it's close to the winter time now and it's getting cold. Look at this. Wow. Oh my God, look at these colors. Guys, over 10,000 years, this is salt. It looks like crystal. So he said the whole canyon, this part is like this. This is a day I look forward to the most during the whole trip. So I'm gonna taste the salt. It's gonna be, wow. It's really salty. Cool.
Wow, so these surreal white patches that you see, they are not snow. They're ancient soft flats formed by mineral-rich springs bubbling up through the canyon floor. For centuries, local harvested salt here using traditional methods. Some families still do. The crust crunches underfoot like nature's potato chips, and if you look closer, you will spot the tiny salt crystal glistering in the sunlight like I did. It's like walking into a giant sparkle factory.
Okay, the last tier of the ancient Mediterranean, and it says the most beautiful wound on earth. Also says Museum of Living Geological Evolution History. So very true. So World Salt Valley, this is the name of this section. Let's take a look at the sign that says this is the World Heritage Site. Of course, it's a UNESCO site. It's a National Salt Hill Geopark. And in the back of me, you will see all these rock formation from millions years ago. This is about 300 square meters. I feel like I went back to the Stone Age. Well, I mean, I never went, but you know what I mean. I feel like I am inside the Stone Age and that there will be dinosaurs around me or something like that. So far, I'm gonna tell you though, the truth. It is more beautiful than the other parts of the Grand Canyon that I have been to. But this is only the first site, so we're gonna go to the other parts now. This one is the only man-made photo spot in the park. Many people are taking pictures with the camel over there. Guys, this place reminds me of Jordan because right now we're gonna go inside to this road. It really reminds me of the Sikh at Petra. Just as beautiful, by the way.
Hi guys, sorry for the quick interruption.
I am at Istanbul, Turkey right now. I just wrapped up my Central Asia series and I wanted to let you guys know in case you missed the last few episodes of Xinjiang, my website is actually live now. It's www.travelwithjanelle.com. If you have any questions about traveling in China or you just want a simply itinerary of a city, it's free of charge. Just DM me. I'll be able to send it to you as long as I know where it is. I mean, hopefully I do. Simply transfer from Hong Kong to Shenzhen or Guangzhou or any sorts, or like a multi-city trip in China, I can also help you as well. So I don't want to interrupt any further. Enjoy this beautiful episode of Wensu Canyon in Xinjiang. It is definitely one of the highlights of my trip in Xinjiang. Well, we are now at another point. They call it the source of life, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a bit because it's quite hilarious. All right, after all these stairs and steps, I'm finally up here now, and this is the view. And this is the other side. Alright, so I am not going to remind you what this looks like, but I'm telling you this site is called the Source of Life. Comment below and you let me know what this looks like. Put in some imagination. Can you tell now?
Here's a fun fact. The Wensu Grand Canyon sits at the northern edge of the Taklamakan Desert, where temperatures swing from a scorching 40 degrees Celsius in the summer to a minus 20 degrees in the winter. And it's that extreme weather that actually sculpted this insane formation. As for those red layers, that's iron oxide that's been reacting over 65 million years. Crazy, right?
We arrived at this very famous restaurant on Little Red Book, Xiaohongshu. So let's check it out. So funny, it's like a store that's selling like jewelry here as well. Look at this restaurant, guys. It's pretty. Look at this. It's beautiful. What a beautiful restaurant. Wow. Wow. So we just sat down at the restaurant and we already got 3 bottles on the table. This is the spicy chicken. And again, it is wet. It's with gravy. I don't know why. The lamb skewers. Also gonna try a couple sip of this mushroom soup. This is spinach with like spicy powder. Signature lamb from Xinjiang, Dini's favorite.
Yeah, I love lamb so much.
So it's quite funny. Yesterday, when we were in the car, we had this bottle of Niya, which is a Xinjiang brand here, which is our good friend now because whenever we see it, we know it's at least drinkable. I wouldn't say it is fantastic but it's at least drinkable, it's smooth. So we opened it in the car, we drank half a bottle, but overnight, we let it breathe. It tastes so much better now. I was like, oh, this is actually a really good wine. So Denise is like, we should just let it open for like a whole night and so it would taste better.
Cheers.
Cheers, yay! Guys, we are at this night market. Oh, that's how you are supposed to eat this street food. So they put it on the side, it's already cooked, and then you have to dip it inside the sauce.
The hot sauce.
And if you like the spicy sauce, you dip it in here like her. So guys, this is the beautiful girl from Xinjiang. And then they said that this is the flavor of Xinjiang. A little bit spicy and a little bit sour. And Denise said it's okay. Okay, so these are the lamb skewers. Whoa. Yeah, handmade dumplings. And they will boil it and she's making it right here. She's wrapping it. So it's lamb meat dumpling. Whoa. And then they will boil it right here. Or you can choose to, yes, very fresh. And you can also steam it. Wow. Oh, Korean fried chicken. You know, guys, I love night market, so this is pretty perfect. Wow. This is my favorite fruit. The yellow watermelon, cantaloupe, and of course honeydew. I'm gonna get the honeydew. Try, it's only 3 RMB. I am a fan of honeydew.
Right there.
The other one that I tried were more sweet, like literally honey flavor. But this one is more crispy, if that makes sense. Wow, look at this, guys. It is yogurt, so fresh, with different type of fruit jam and sauces. I think this is a handmade shaved ice, and of course you can mix it with different topping. So guys, this is men's bio honey, but it's actually like oyster, like essence and juice. They said if you drink this, you will perform better at night. And it's being served with corn, and Denise got like couple eggs, pigeon eggs, wild chicken egg. Yeah, that's the way they have the egg. They mix it in the different season. They asked if she's gonna eat it now. Oh, this is so authentic. I guess this is something you definitely cannot have elsewhere. Okay, try. In Xinjiang, there's this powder they always use jiyan. They put it in like lamb, chicken wings, or whatsoever. So even around the world, they still have the seasoning, right? So they even put it in her eggs. She said that she doesn't hate it. That means she doesn't really like it. She's just because we were on camera. It's the first, but I will have to say it is special because I have not seen it anywhere else, to be honest.
So guys, this is the name of the spa. The one I did is only 99 RMB for 70 minutes. It's absolutely great. It's on the 7th floor of Howard Johnson Hotel. That's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more adventures. In the next and final episode of our Xinjiang series, we will explore the breathtaking Baisha Lake, the majestic Premier Plateau, and the historic old town of Kashgar or Kashi. Trust me, it's going to be packed with incredible content. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next week.